Have you ever felt like the odds were stacked against you? That no matter how hard you tried, you couldn't get ahead because you had no money, no experience, and, worst of all, no one willing to give you a chance? Let me ask you a real question. If I told you there are ways to start making money as a teenager with $0 and zero experience, would you believe me? Because you should. I'm not here to feed you get-rich-quick garbage or fake hustle hacks that disappear faster than your last paycheck. This is real, and it's powerful. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money as a teenager with nothing but the skills and resources you already have. This video could flip your entire financial story. So listen up, because if you're willing to act, these opportunities might change everything. Quick heads up, grab a pen. These ideas are worth remembering. Let me take you back for a second. Imagine you're 16, no job, no savings, no credit history, just dreams, energy, and way too much time on TikTok. Sound familiar? Yeah, I was there too. I didn't have wealthy parents or a trust fund to fall back on. I had to get creative, and that's exactly what you're about to do. In a world where the internet is practically free, you don't need cash to get started. What you do need is mindset, because the mindset that says, "I'm too young," is the only thing stopping you from building a wealth foundation right now. So, let's break through these limiting beliefs and walk through 7 ways you can make money as a teenager with $0 and zero experience. Sound good? Cool. Let's dive in. Number 1, sell your skills, even if you think you have none. Listen, you have skills. Maybe you just haven't recognized them yet. Can you type? Tutor a younger student. Can you speak English fluently? Offer conversation practice to immigrants online. Good at organizing? Help a neighbor declutter their garage. Think small at first. Local Facebook groups, community notice boards, even your school's community. Hey, if you can survive group projects in high school, you have leadership skills, trust me. Don't think about no experience as a barrier. Think about no experience as a blank canvas. That's powerful, because you can paint any picture you want on it. Number 2, flip free stuff online. Here's one people sleep on: flipping free stuff. Check Craigslist's free section. Look around your neighborhood for giveaways. Grab them, clean them up, and resell them on Facebook Marketplace. I once grabbed a broken chair for free, fixed it with a $2 screwdriver, and sold it for $40. That was lunch money for a week. From literal trash. And wait till you hear what people give away for free in their garages. We'll get there in a minute. Number 3, freelance with what you know. Next up, freelancing. Can you make a Canva design? Can you write an email? Can you edit a TikTok reel? If the answer is yes, you can freelance. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork don't ask for a Harvard degree. They want you to deliver results. No experience? Offer your first 3 gigs for cheap, get reviews, and build up from there. Remember how your teacher always said, "This essay is too short"? Turns out, people will pay you to write even shorter stuff, like social captions. You'd be surprised how valuable your basic skills really are. Number 4, pet sitting and dog walking. Let's keep it super simple. People love their pets. People pay to have their pets looked after. Apps like Rover or just posting flyers around the neighborhood can land you clients today. No startup money, no business license needed. Just trust, care, and time. Think about this. If you don't build income streams early, you could end up stuck working a job you hate for decades. A side hustle like dog walking could be your ticket out, or at least your first step. Number 5. House chores for neighbors. This one sounds old school, but it works. Mowing lawns, washing cars, cleaning garages. Most people hate doing these chores. You, on the other hand, can turn them into cash. Knock on a few doors politely, show up on time, do the work well, and watch word of mouth do its magic. Hey, would you rather play Candy Crush for 3 hours or make $50 in those same 3 hours? Think about it. Number 6. Social media management. Here's where Gen Z shines. Small businesses have zero clue how to manage TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat. You do. Offer to post their photos, respond to comments, or even run giveaways. No money needed, just your phone and consistency. And wait, because in the next section, I'm going to show you how to turn even the smallest hobby into serious money. Number 7. Monetize a hobby like to draw? Sell stickers on Etsy. Love gaming? Stream on Twitch. Into music? Sell beats online. Whatever lights you up can be turned into dollars with zero cash up front. The tools are free. The effort is what counts. Look, I don't want you waking up at 30 regretting all the time you could have started building. Start with what you love now and compound it. Let's recap, because there's no excuse anymore. Sell your skills. Flip free stuff. Freelance online. Pet sitting, house chores, social media management, monetize a hobby. Every one of these can be started today. Not next year, not next month. Today. The only thing between you and extra money is your willingness to try. And if you want to keep building your financial power, don't stop here. Click on the video showing on your screen right now. It will help you protect and grow every dollar you make. And trust me, that's the key to long-term freedom. I'll see you over there. Let's build your financial orbit, one habit at a time.